actually happening. Wow. Okay, this is a big moment. We're here! So much room for activities. Oh, sorry. It's fucking moth. The removal van is here. It is actually happening. I don't know if to laugh or cry right now. Bye, garden. Stop. Why am I actually most sad about the garden? I'm actually gonna cry. So many memories. This is actually mad. It's actually happening. I'm driving off. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. This is so weird. 22 years of my life I'm about to say goodbye to. Wow. Okay, this is a big moment. Guys, I'm fine. Honestly, I'm fine. I know this is a really bad angle, so I do apologise. But hello. I mean, I guess you can kind of tell what's happening from the title of this video. I'm moving house. Oh god, this is really good. Really good. So yeah, I'm moving out of my childhood home. 22 years of my life, I've been there, and I'm literally on the way to the new house. Wow, it's actually crazy. Do you know what? I feel fine. Yesterday I was sad, but today, you know, it's a new chapter. I hope everybody see my face. What is the point? Is this good enough for YouTube? I don't think so. New chapter of life. Oh my god, I just can't believe this is happening. I feel like I need to play that really sad Hannah Montana song. Yesterday's gone, we gotta keep moving on to another dance floor. Oh yeah. You see, she's a beautiful girl, she's a beautiful girl. I know, she knows that I'm not fond of asking. Heard you singing this song, thinking this is the life. We're not fitting the SUG, guys, we're here. We're here! Ah! What the hell, man? Oh my goodness. It's my local pub. Wow. Oh my god, our neighbours are moving in the same day. How funny. This is so strange. We're here! Marcus, say hi.
Oh, sorry. Just cleaning these off.
Yay! We've got a new toaster and we've got a new kettle. There we go. Right, I actually should probably help now. The current situation. It's everywhere. How nice are the new glasses that I bought? Imagine your iced coffee in there.
I love them.
Mug cover, does it say here?
Well, that corner one. You don't have that many mugs, do you?
No. Really heavy.
Not too bad. Do you reckon you could lift?
She says. Right, we're going to attempt to start on my room. This room's really hot, or is it just I'm really hot?
No, it's very hot in here.
Oh no.
How expensive these pants were?
How much were they again?
Like £52 each. Your bed is so nice. I love your bed.
Thank you. Yeah, these are the lamps I got from
Dunno.
Stone. Wow.
You know when you like tidy your room as a kid and you find like a DS and like a princess hat, or, like that is me.
Finding a Jack and Me's hat is quite a good find. What is the time? 6 o'clock. That's pretty mad. Guys, look at this. Sorry. Love it. Bedside table. Which side? Don't know. So cute. That tray was like £30 though. Bit of a rip-off, but it's fine. Toothbrush holder. I think it's from Janelle. Going straight in my bathroom. I got this crinkle vase. Seen it all over TikTok. And I also got these silk tulips. That was the vision. This definitely isn't a bedside table. Oh yeah, I spent a fortune on some marble cases, but do you know what? It's the little things that get you high. Nice one, brother. I also, how cute is this? I got the vase from IKEA and these little fake flowers. I can't actually remember what they're called, but got them from Amazon. Hi, it's the first morning in the new house. I literally woke up this morning. You know that feeling when you wake up and you think you've been kidnapped? I'm home, I'm at my new home. That's where I am. Last night, the removal van didn't leave until 10 PM. It was the longest day of my life. Absolutely exhausted. Also, all I can hear is cockerels. Been doing my makeup at my window this morning and I've literally been staring at horses and sheep. I'm actually wait, that cockerel's actually gonna piss me off, I just know it. Anyway, look, I'll try and show you the lambs. Look, I'm just looking at sheep. I can't get over how loud those chickens are already. This is my life now. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm actually going to Greece at 3 AM tomorrow. Case is packed here. You see that? Yeah. So I've had to be an organised queen. How big this living room is. So much room for activities. What? Crazy. I'm convinced my hay fever is worse here though. In the countryside and that. Show what we've done so far. Was there to show? The coffee table. Things aren't finished yet, but this is just some things we've unboxed so far. Everything's a bit of a mess. I love this Pampers. So with my room, obviously I've been on Pinterest. Let me just show you what my Pinterest board was looking like for my bedroom, and then I will do like a full room tour at some point though in a few weeks. But this is my bedroom inspo board. This one I loved, and this one, how beautiful is that? I wanted to go for like the neutral look, you know? Love this. So we'll see, we'll see. That's the vision I was going for. Tell you what though, this room is bloody hot. Sorry? Placemats.
Nice.
Placemats probably cost about £15 each. It's quite expensive HMO, isn't it?
Yeah, really expensive.
Oh yeah, right. Honest thoughts. As a fruit bowl.
No, I like it. Put it on there. Nice, well nice.
It's quite nice quality actually. I like the colour though. Oh, this is for my bed. There's the fruit bowl.
Oh no, that's amazing. Wow. Ooh, that is so nice. Are you on video?
Yeah, that one.
I love that. Really matches your bed well.
Yes, agreed. What's this? Oh, this might be the marble thing.
Okay.
How much was this order? About £2
Not far off. That is lovely.
That might look nicer in the middle of there.
What, on that there?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, is that
What do you
everything?
think?
Oh, my curtain!
Oh, they're lush. So nice.
Wait, shall I open them now?
That's beautiful, isn't it?
I've ordered a massive Pampers, so I'm going to try to open this up and just see what it's like. I don't know if truth. Are they too big? Maybe I should be taking them out the other way. No, I'm actually going to cry. I'm actually going to cry. Surely not. Oh my god. It's okay, we can save them. Wow, they're actually pretty. I bought these vase on Etsy and I was hoping it'd be a bit bigger, but I'm going to give it a go. Yeah, that's not going to work, is it? It's fine, chop them.
What's that, the glass bit?
Ah! 3, 2, 1. But wait, how do we know which way around it is?
It needs to be open, because it says this side up, and then this bit will come out.
Okay, I've seen it, it's okay. Oh, sorry. It's fucking moth.
Oh my god, you just shit me up. What's the, is that the front of it?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's nice. I like it.
Hello. Hello. Do you like your new home? Do you like your new home? Do you love it, Brody? Come on in. Look at him. Good boy. Ready? Hi guys, it's actually been about a week since the last clip, but I thought I'd just finish off because I never actually showed some bits that we've finished putting together, you know? The hallway is one of my favourites. That box though is not meant to be there, but you go in and I just love how this all looks. Love this marble tray. This marble tray was actually from Danelle. My mum got it. It's so nice. Bathroom toilet. I don't think anyone really wants to see that, but it's actually really nice. And then in the kitchen, this is the tray in the end. We put it here with this Pampers from B&M. Are you hiding, Rose? What are you doing? Just chilling? You're at Marlow. Like I said, I will do a room tour at some point when I'm happy with it, because it's not quite there yet. But I'm just absolutely obsessed with this view out my window. look how pretty, and like if there was a sunrise, oh, it's unreal. So that is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed. Not me having another case packed down there, because I'd be fat in T-minus 4 hours. RIP my liver. Bye.